Here it is showing the peak name and its status, slope, correlation coefficient, variance of every individual peak. To make the new sequence, you have to select create option here, then sequence. Then it will show the instrument ID, which is here QCD HPLC 004. Then click over next. Then here just put the details of the instrument related columns like name, type, level, position. Here it is showing some mark. Empty value is not allowed. So here we put the injection volume of 10 microliter. And here we got the column. So here put the name of the sample, whatever paracetamol, whatever is your sample name, you can put here. Here what is the sample name? So what is the type of the sample? Whether it is blank or standard or sample. Position of the sample vial, like integration on off, threshold, recent baseline, width, valley to valley. After selecting those method from the browse, select the next option and then again next. After putting the specific comment, select the finish and it will automatically save. Here I am not saving the method as I haven't made any, so I just close it. For making the method, just go on the instruments and here you can see the home. Over the home it is showing lamp mode standard, signal. If the system which has been already in connection with here the instrument is not connected to the system, so whatever the connection which is already ready will appear in green color in this icon. For putting the value of pump, we go over the pump icon, which is here showing not ready because the system is not connected with the instrument. And here we can add the flow per pressure, that means ml per minute, the flow value. The module is not connected, it is showing here as this is not connected with the instrument. So this is the eluent, which is our mobile phase ratio of the reservoir A, B, C and D. From the different 4 bottles, we can carry out the solvents in different proportion and ratio if it is in case of gradient. But in case of isocritic, the solvent will pass through the pump from the one bottle and which will be of 100%. Here it is showing audit trial. Here sampler. In sampler, we will put the temperature of the sampler port. Column composition, here we will put the nominal temperature, temperature ready delta, equilibrium time, which will be provided in your standard test procedure. So by seeing that procedure, you can fill all the criteria. These are the detector, UV detector, fluorescent detector, reflective index detector. These are the detector. Here we put the nanometers of the detectors. Here UV visible detector are of 2 type, UV1 and UV2. these are our sample port. Here we put the sample and can easily recognize from here. So I have shown you how to create sequence, method, and how can we operate the Chromeleon 7. For getting more about the data processing system, so how can we get the data after integration, just be on my channel. This is the HPLC system. This is the reservoir which consists of mobile phase bottles. Here you can easily see A, B, C and D tubes are dipped in the mobile phase bottle.